Hello everyone. Welcome back to the third week of Mbira class. This will be the last week that we are focusing on the song Muzoriwa. And this week we will work on adding variations to both the Kushaura and Kushaura parts. We will introduce some variation on the left hand and some variation on the right hand. I am going to start with high lines for the Kushaura and the Kushaura. And this is because I have come to believe over many years of playing Mbira that the high line is probably the most important variation to master on each song. This is not something I've been told. It's just something I've kind of picked up over many years of playing. When I talk about high lines, I'm referring to these descending lines that often start on the octave of scale degree 1 or on scale degree 7 and walk down the rest of the scale in these right hand notes. And often you will find that these high lines start either on phrases 1 and 3 of the cycle or on phrases 2 and 4 of the cycle. In Muzoriwa, they will be starting on phrases 2 and 4. So in fact, we will not be changing anything about the right hand in phrases 1 and 3. It will stay the same. But what you will find is that although we're not changing anything in phrases 1 and 3, those phrases will end up sounding like an extension of the high lines that we're initiating on phrases 2 and 4. So I'm going to start by just playing the high lines for you so you can listen to them. And then I will go back in a separate video and break it down for you. And this is the Kushaura. And I will say that, as always, there are many different ways I could have taught this high line. Sekuru Chigamba played it in several different ways, just in that short 2-minute clip. So I will talk maybe a little bit more during our Zoom session about how I came up with this high line and what features I really like about it. In the next video, I'll go on to break those phrases down on the right hand.